Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is a string format in Python and how fstring works in Python. However, there are several ways to present the output of a program. Data can be printed in human readable form or written to a file for future use. First one, we have a string with f or f. You can write a Python expression between curly braces, okay, and that can refer to a variable or literal values. We want to produce the output. Like how we can achieve this, let's see. We'll be taking, let's say, a variable organization, then we can say it's Google. Let's take other variable branches, let's say 100. Now we want to format this output, okay. So what we can do, we can just copy and paste the output here as it is. Instead of the exact value, just use this curly braces, okay, fine, and write f in small letters or in upper letter, okay. Now it is expecting the variable names, so we can pass on organization, that is our first organization value, and another we have branches. That is done, okay. Let's run the program. You see the output is the exact same which we try to produce, okay. We have more control with fstring in Python. Let me take one variable discount, that could be anything. Then we will try to print discount, and we can say discount and then colon, then 3f, okay. Here what is that meaning? This means we want to print our decimal values up to 3 characters, okay. Let's print. You see we have only 3 decimal precisions here, okay. Let me want 2 decimal precisions, then we change it to, then it will print only 2. Now let's try with one more example. Our output should be like name Raj, his salary like 3000, another name say Rohan, his salary would be 4000, okay. So we want this type of output with the help of fstring, okay. Let's see how it works. Take one dictionary employee emp. Let's try to print first. If you print this dictionary, so it will show very weird, right? Okay, but we want to produce the output like this one, okay. So how to achieve? We have to first apply for, then we can say name, salary. These are the variables only, okay. We want to loop through our dictionary, okay. Dot items, you remember we have used dot items method also on dictionary. Then we'll be printing f, okay. Name, here you can say like that, name colon, I want to format like 20 characters from name, okay, colon 20, put some tab here, and then I want to print salary. This will not come here, okay. Now I want to put salary, then again I want 20 character space, and then string, okay. Now let's run the program. So much space here, let's try to reduce it, okay. Now run it again. Yeah, we can make it like 10 character space here. Just run.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.